So let's get started. Firstly, ensure your internet connection is stable and fast, or simply restart your router if needed. After that, simply tap on the open option available there and navigate to the sign in inside the Microsoft Teams. Double check your email address and password, or if needed, reset your password. If this also does not work, then test logging in from another device or browser to rule out device specific issues. Or you can simply go to the Google Play Store or App Store option available there, and you can simply tap on the update option available right next to it because outdated versions may cause login issues. And if none of these work, then open any web browser on your mobile device, then go to the microsoftteams.com, simply go to its website and try logging in from its website. So that is it. If none of these work, then contact Microsoft support for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. How to fix Microsoft Teams app can't join or sign in problem.